Yep, you read that correctly. Size doesn't matter. Let me explain why. Now, what we're talking about is, of course, quads. You can have just as much fun with smaller quads as with bigger quads. So today, we're gonna fly a 2.5-inch GEP RC Phantom HD toothpick. 1303 motors, 5000 kV, Vista, half naked Vista. I can't be bothered taking off the rest of the part, so it's good enough for me, and I'm gonna put on the Go 2. Enough chit chat, let's just send it. Guess who didn't charge the Go 2? This guy. Does not sound good. Fuck that. Alright, send it. 1303, 5000 kV. It's a fast little guy. I didn't bring any spare props, that's why it's howling. But it's oh, it's fun and it's fast. Oh, that hurt. Didn't see that. Let's try this again. That was fun. Small drones are fun. I would recommend everybody to have a little one they can play with. No pun intended. Get a small drone. They're light. They don't make any noise. You can fly almost wherever you want to fly them. And enjoy.